Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing. Today I want to talk about Edit by Instagram. It's a video editing app that was just introduced by Meta. You can use it to create videos for your Facebook and Instagram Reels. So it has that pre-installed size for Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. You can also use it to run video ads for your product, or if you just want to make videos for your Instagram and Facebook, or even your YouTube shorts without having to go through the stress of InShot and CapCut. You can head on to your Google Play Store. When you open your Google Play Store, you search Edit and Instagram app. You can, or you just type Edit, they will know what you're looking for. You find it, you install it. This is how it looks like. Once you install it into your phone, just click on open. It's going to open up like this. It's from Meta. It's one of their recent apps that they developed. So if you don't have an Instagram account, I would advise you to open one if you want to use this. So because you don't need to start creating accounts, they already recognize this is my Instagram account. So I'll just click on continue. When I continue, they will log me into this app, and this is how the interface looks like. If you can see the first thing here, it's something like notes. So with it, you can write down your ideas, and all of that. If you go to saved, you see all the videos that you've saved on your Instagram account. You can see them here. You can get the sounds from them. When you click on this other one, you'll be able to see the plus button. This center is where you can create. They'll ask you to allow some, permissions. So you can choose pictures. What I'm going to do is to just choose some pictures. You can choose videos, you can choose pictures, but I just want to use pictures to create a video, for Instagram. Once you've selected it, you check it up here. So this app has a lot of features. For instance, you have the closed captions, you have the audio test and all that. You can just do this. It's a video editing app. So how closed captions work. You need to have an audio, but because this is picture, cannot have closed caption. So if you want to record something, just hit on the record button and record. If you want to add text to your video or your picture, you click on that text icon and you type your text, and you also be able to edit your text. You can edit your text, you can delete it, you can turn it. If you touch the text, you'll be able to see the text edit options where you can split edit, make your text to be speech with different voice options. You can choose the different voices, they will play and you hear the sound of it. So even if you want to add a voiceover and you don't want to use your voice, you can write the text and convert it and check it up there, and it will be saved. You can click on edit your text. You can change the color, you can add animations to it. These are the text edit options as highlighted up here. You can center it, you can send it to left alignment, choose any font that you like, and just play around with it. And if you also don't want to continue using the test, you can also delete it. So they have really nice fonts on this app which are really good and cool. So you can just check it out, play around with it. This is the animation. You can see how it's coming out. Typewriter jump, choose any animation that you want. If you like, if you don't want any, just click on none. Then you can choose label. If you want your text to have a background and all, left align, right align, center align, just like you have in other apps that are video editing apps. But if you don't want, just hit the delete button down here to delete your text. You can also use the arrow buttons here to move your text to the end of the video You can also duplicate your text. There are a lot of things that you can do. You have the undo button on this app. There are a lot of things that you can achieve with this particular app. So I've deleted the text because I don't want it. So once you select a particular clip, you can shorten it. Once you select a particular clip, the edit functions for that clip can come. You can edit it, apply a filter. If you want it to be applied to all the clips, you click on the top button there. If you just want it for this clip, you just leave it for this clip and check it once you're done. So this app is very cool for me. I'm trying to see other features. You have stickers like you have on Instagram. You can also search for it. If you don't see the one you like, can type what you want and see if there is a sticker for that. You can reduce it, just use your two hands to squeeze it and it will come to the size that you want it to come to. It's as simple as that. Even though this is a new app, the functions are also as other video editing apps, just that the size is for Meta Reels, Instagram Reels. So if you want to add audio to this, like music, so that it will have music, you can search for the music that you want. If you have saved music, trending one, original sounds, you can also import from wherever you want to import from your file manager. So if you click on import, it will bring you up here. So I'm going to just search for Liverpool. I'm looking for Liverpool team song because all the images I gathered are for Liverpool champions, their Premier League designs that I got from Facebook. So I'm just going to play it. You can see the sound is up to 1 minute. So if the sound is if you have your clip more than 1 minute, you'll be able to share this video, but you'll not be able to share it with the sound. But if it's just 1 minute or less than 1 minute, you'll be able to share it with the sound on Instagram or Facebook Reel, because the song is licensed, so they don't want to flag you for copyright if you use more than that 1 minute. So I will just make it to be exactly 1 minute or less by touching any of the clip, because this is a picture. If I touch any of the clip, I will just reduce the clip, the length from whatever. You can also click on this new project up here to rename your file. As for once you are done renaming, you click on done. As for the audio, you can reduce the size. So once you are just done, you just save and it's ready to share. You can share directly to Instagram and also share to your Facebook. I want to know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. Have you downloaded this app? Do you think it's worth downloading, or do you think it's just another garbage app? Like, I don't want to mention names, but there was this Threads app that Meta released the other time. People think it's not a cool app, but I want to really hear your thoughts on the comment section. Do you think this will fly? Do you think it will replace InShot, CapCut, KineMaster, Viva, and all other video editing apps, or do you think it's not cool? Because I think maybe because of the ratio, it has only Instagram Reel size. I don't know if it will fly, but I would like to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.